Good morning, guys. So I'm going to do a quick intro video into order flow. Just want to go back to these zones here and see what actually happened, which was Saturday, wasn't it? Okay, we can see that the price was dropping, and we can see a lot of algos and traders were going short in this zone here. Although we cannot go back and look at the live DOM, but we did see some buy pressure, and we can see from our delta profile that we had 96.7 million shorts opening. We also saw from the profile we were decreasing and lighter. So this is a clear long entry, which was about here, because we're going to get squeezed. So you would have gone long here and scalp this move here. Now let's just calculate this: 103, 101,364 to 1019. So it's about what? Let's say $500 move. Okay, $500 move. What can we do in this? Well, we can use a different strategy. Okay, we can use a different strategy rather than using conventional exchange. What we can do is we can relative fill into this. So we can relative fill into this because we already know where our stop is, and we don't need to use a stop loss. We already know that the market makers algos are going to lift the price up. So what could we do? One position, two position, three position, four position, five position. So the total gain you would have made here is $2,500 US. It's very simple to understand. That's how institutes trade. Same thing happened here. Okay, you can see a bigger move. This repeats over and over again. Okay, now we do have another platform that all that extra charts is good. We do have this working on Atis as well, where it alerts you as well, and we can connect the exchanges to here and take the trade automatically, especially if your swing fails as well. Swing fails is another strategy that I do teach. So another strategy that I teach is delta profiling and TPO, VWAP, TWAP. These are the only things you need to understand in crypto to trade crypto on a daily basis, because this shit repeats over and over again. Yes, for me, I'm a bit of a scalper, so I do use my customized DOM. Now, obviously, if you do get extra charts, none of this is available. You do need my templates and my feeds, etc., to make this work. But you can actually start off with a extra charts pro license, but the templates are given once you do my course, because we use these templates, and there's quite a few of them, including the TPO, my special own VBAP, which I've coded, and this is my own DOM, and we do have other DOMs as well, especially the ones where we can see the market maker. Yep. So if you can see the market maker in advance, you know where the price is going to go and where it's going to end. A lot of people have been taught, okay, support and resistance, we might have support this because we had previous support. That's complete bullshit. That's complete bullshit. Okay, because we should have had support basically at 104. We lost that. 103. We lost that, and then we came back down, and we came down to the PD low. Okay, which was a previous day value area low. More shorts aggressive came in. Algorithms are written to lift the price back up. So even blindly, you could have took this trade without order flow. It's very simple to understand. Why? Because you would have had Excel charts levels marked up already on your trading view. Okay. Now, obviously, for aggressive scalping, I do that in New York session, and I use the DOM only. So that's one thing I do teach on here, how to trade off the DOM and read this tape side, which is very, very lucrative. Okay. So whether you're a scalper, day trader, or swing trader, I do teach all of that in my. I don't do a course because it's the reason I don't. People have asked me, why haven't you done a course? Why haven't you done a course? Because the thing is, with a course, we have to go back in time. Do you understand? When I teach live. So whatever the price is of what we're doing, we're looking at it live. You're taking trades with me, or I'm taking trades on real accounts, and I do manage a lot of big accounts. Do you understand? So you're taking this with me. Plus, we're doing scalping sessions in New York Open. How can you put that in a course? You can't, you know. And I just wouldn't feel good putting this in a course, because if I did a course, how can we do the live side of it? We just can't. You can't ask me a question in the pre-recorded course. So let's have a look at where we are right now. Okay, so I see a position here, so I'm going to take one right now. Right, let's just go back here for a second. I just want to check something very, very quickly. Let's just go to 5 minute. So I'm working off my laptop at the moment. It is a bit slow, so do excuse me. When we see orders like this, can you see these orders? These are manipulation orders carried by the market maker algos to induce you to go in one direction. This is a live heat map, liquidity heat map. We don't use any static ones like your favorite YouTuber. Right, okay.
Order placed.
Right, okay. It's going to go for 1.5 Bitcoin position size, because I want to fill in another position as well underneath us. Let me just go into my contracts, basically, see what's going on. Let's bring up the buy zones here. These buy zones have been calibrated by myself, so it's quite easy. Buy here, sell there. It's very easy to understand. Well, it is easy to understand once you've actually done my webinar or personal training. Plus, my personal training is lifetime. I do support you. Get free access to my Telegram. Do cover gold, all the other indices as well, and obviously Bitcoin as well. Okay, so right, so we do have some imbalances up here. I'm gonna add in, oops, that's wrong. Another 1.5 position, because don't need that shit. I want to be out of the trade very, very soon. It's a quick scalp. Let's get rid of the DOM for a minute and just work off the. Oh, brilliant. Excellent, excellent, excellent. Watch me make money. Sit back and relax. I'll pause the video here, and when we get to where we want to get to, and I'm going to make a prediction right now. This is where we are aiming for. Second target is going to be this one here. And price will come back here. I promise you. We do have price protection in this zone. You see that clearly from the tape. Let's have a quick look at the candles. You can't see much on the candles. It's just going up and down, which can really trick you. and I've taken these trades based off order flow and what I can see ahead of me, and that's the edge you need. Please, please ignore the background noise. We can see down here that our delta profile is in a positive 8%, 100%. So I'm actually going to add another position. I am in a drawdown at the moment. I'm going to add another position here. Everything is looking good here. Let's bring the DOM back up and let's have a look at the bids and the asks. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to change that to 180. I also want to see what else I can see down below. Turn that to the where is it? Here we go. The correct tick size. Now turn that up to 75. Perfect. Also, please note it's a Sunday as well, so we don't have institutes trading. Okay, everything is looking good, guys. Everything is looking good. Just a waiting game. Gonna make some money now. Gonna have a quick look at something else. We do get acceptance above VWAP, which we will. I'm gonna load up more positions. So I'm just gonna add a couple of more positions actually. I'm actually gonna add one more box. So something I just noticed here. So we've got 3 boxes. Target boxes. So we are in my first box. Let's have a look at how those trades are getting on. Let's just take a bit more profit. No harm in taking any profit. Remember, guys, the idea is to take profit fast. Do you understand? You don't want to be sitting at the charts all day long and looking at signals and chatting away on useless trade chats and forums and whatever, wasting your time watching other influencers send you in the wrong direction. Work with somebody who does this for a living and actually does it for other people. So next box we will go into this. Remember, guys, I did predict this in advance because I know what will happen. This happens all the time. This is what you're going to learn. It's a Sunday morning, well, Sunday afternoon, and I'm making money. Are you? Not far now, guys. Now, in this zone here, we saw some algos kick in. So what do you do? I'm going to show you what to do. As we see buy pressure. So we are approaching my first box. We just tapped it, but I said price will go into it. So we will wait for that. See that we have made above VWAP, which I could see happening. So can you once I've trained you. So look at the orders quickly. Look at that. That's how you make money, guys. There we go, first box. I also have an automatic strategy working as well. That video I'm going to add probably to the end of this video. It's only available for the first 10 students who are going to take advantage of my one-to-one training, which is fully guarantee that you will succeed from there or money back. You know, I'm not like one of these influencers out there that rely on BS, selling you BS and providing you BS information. And signals, they don't work. Live order flow works, especially if you've got AI working with it. Remember, I'm a trader and a developer. I'm not an influencer. They all talk, yeah, you know what I'm saying. Do see a bit of sell pressure, but I'm not worried about it. As I said, we know where the price is going to go in advance. Now, looking at the orders that I have taken, because I'm a scalper, I like to take profits fast. We can see that I'm in 185.73 profit. We've got some losing trades here or drawdowns and some in profit. You could actually close all this and you've made this money, but I'm not going to do that because I'm going to grab a bit more profit. And if I do get rejection at the, let me just adjust this for you guys. Next time I'll make a advanced video using my computer. Let me just turn on my VWAP. Okay, so if I do get rejection on my VWAP, I will close all positions and you'll see that I'll be in profit. Let's just bring out the DOM. Oops, sorry. Show DOM. And what I want to do, okay, that's looking good. See what he's doing. Let's turn that into that. Let's just turn 89. Yes. Look at that. Let's close some of these off. Do four. Leave those ones open. Lovely. Lovely jubbly. Approaching VWAP. Let's see what happens at VWAP. You see some bit of a rejection at VWAP. Am I worried? No. So I already told you guys we're going to end up here. So I did take some profit on the overall trade, but I also added some positions in when I saw buyer pressure come in. Remember guys, we are targeting up here and up here, but I'm going to be taking profits here. Now, one thing I have noticed is some algos kicking in always here on this price, which is what 102,630 ish. So this is a concern for me. Again, you can't see this in candles, you know, but now we've seen some opposition algos kick in where contract sizes are increasing. So I want to see the 72 increase. If I need this to increase, let me just check my trade. So I've been taking profits as we pushing up into local resistance, because you want to be taking profits fast is the idea of scalping. You don't want to be at the charts all the time. You can come and do this anytime, depending on the asset in the market, if it's open or closed. So if we see over 200 on here, I'm gonna have to start closing positions, but we will end up in this box, in this highlighted box, this one and this one. I'm guaranteeing you this. Sorry, I got the fan on. It's very hot. Like I said, we're going to enter that box, start closing some positions off. Let's leave those active. So we've entered the box. So as you can see, guys, we've entered the second box as predicted. And we are going to close these trades off. It's been a profitable morning. We will get price in there, but the purpose of this video was to show you guys my MR1 strategies. This is the MR1 strategy. We do learn about this, and this is one of the 5 strategies that I use on a daily basis, regardless of what asset class, instrument, etc. Now we have been automating this as well in the background, so now you're going to see the automation side of things, which is fully automatic. Does it by itself using AI agents and Excel charts and various other integrations. I hope you enjoyed this. Please note that I am going to be holding a webinar. The first 10 people do get access to the automation side free of charge, and the training as well. So my link is in the description below of this video. Please contact me. There's a risk and money management process that we go through, so I have an understanding of who you are, what your background is, etc. And then we will be booking students in. This is a full money back guarantee. If you don't earn in your first week, I will fully refund it, but highly unlikely, because I have done a trial run on this program webinar, and I have turned losing traders into winning traders. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate all of you guys. Thank you so much. Remember to follow me on X and Instagram, etc. So there you have it. Enjoy. Have a great day.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Automatic trading system that's going to fill orders automatically, tiny orders, and it's going to take profit at the value area high of the range automatically, which is determined automatically by approximately
Order filled.
That's orders getting filled, approximately sitting at 102,700 area. It's a live liquidity map. We don't need to go into too much on that. So you can see our AI system is filling up orders. It knows where to sell in advance. I can actually see what it's trying to do. Currently we're on a $2.61 drawdown, 23 actually dollars. Everything's done live. This is great if you guys are sleeping in the US or Canada and movements are happening, or anywhere, any session that you don't want to trade. You can always automate this, which is something that I do teach as a bonus for the first 10 people only. So take advantage of this webinar live training, because it's not going to be around forever. You can see we're on $434 profit, fully automatic. AI has full control of this, knows where to take profit, knows where to short, knows where to long. We have the best automated strategy possibly in the world that I know of. So let's have a look at the automation system. It's over $1,000 in profit. Knows where to take profit. As the price is coming down, it's also shorting as well. It's doing it so fast, a bit like high frequency, similar, but it works in a different way. So yeah, this is great for people who miss trades. You can set this up. It's all given in my training how to do this. Give you all the software, give you all the files, etc. It's only available for the first 10 people. So this is the automation side. As you guys know, it's been filling orders. This is not the overall profit. What it does, it fills orders, takes profit, fills orders, takes profits in both directions, long and short. So we'll have a look at what it's actually done so far. Right, let's have a quick look at how much money this automation system has actually made, realized profits. So P&L is $289, closed is over $1,000, less than an hour's work. We have so many parameters, inputs and outputs that go through this AI controlled environment automation. I do teach you how to set this up on any account. It's available. Sorry, I was just looking at the other screen. Yeah, so, and the system will actually go long and short for you automatically. You can input your own risk management, stop losses, etc., because I can't control your risk management. I know what my risk management is.